Hello guys and welcome back to another pack opening. You know the drill, each week I do a pack opening, so here's another one. This time instead of having 5 I've only got 3. So yeah, we'll get straight into it. So as you can see, 3 packs here. I'll start with this one. Please, we'll get 10 stickers, so that's good. Right, so we've got Big E, Liv Morgan and Roman Reigns on this one. Basically the same on every single one. But yeah, let's get straight over it just so you don't see them because they usually take in different ways. Okay. Right. So, first one. Boom. Oh, we've got Randy Orton's like in my vein when he comes out. That's quite cool. Can you see that? Right there. There's a bit of light coming here. We'll just do that. Wait a minute. So let's see if this works. Is that better? That's kind of better. Right, next one. Boom. We've got Andrade. I think that's a duplicate of him. We've got another one of him. Next one. Boom. Got Roman Reigns when he won the Universal Championship. And he's still holding on to it after, if you didn't see it, when he won the Royal Rumble. Douche. Seth Rollins. He came second in the Royal Rumble match. Bam. Well, I think that's another duplicate. Another duplicate of them. Zoom. Right, we've got half of AJ Styles. Quite cool. Bam. Got WrestleMania. I don't know which WrestleMania it was, but it looks like a good one. See that? There we go. Boom. Oh, we got. I think this is one of the ones where they get like the Big E and the Street. No, not the Street Profits. The New Day. And you get multiple ones. So that's Kofi Kingston of the New Day. Next one. Oh, is this a shiny one? Boom. What is that? Oh, it's a Royal Rumble shiny gold card. Nice. That over the top. Last one. Bam. Hey, we got John Cena. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. That's pretty good. Start pack's done. Next pack. This time we got Bobby Lashley, Seth Rollins, and what's her name? Mandy Rose. That's the one. Right, just so you can see, because they're all facing different directions. Right. Bam. Got another one of Drew McIntyre when he won. You know, I'll turn the light back on, even though it shines. I'll just sit here so it blocks the shadow. Next one. Boom. Hey, we got the Rock. Dwayne Johnson. Next one is boom. Oh, I know who she is. I know who she is. I can't remember her name. Something is though. Right. Boom. Oh, got Bret Hart when he won the championship. Boom. Oscar and Bailey. I think we've already got that one, so that's another duplicate. Boom. Hey, we've got half of the Usos this time, not the New Day, but Uso this time. I always don't know which, like, if that's Jay, I think. Oh, we've got Undisputed Era. Oh, we've got another Becky Lynch. I think that's another duplicate. But we've got tons of Becky Lynches. Oh, we're starting to get another Chinese. Boom. Baron Corbin. The King. Baron Corbin. Last one. Oh, boom. We got Apollo Crews. Apollo Crews. Nice shiny one. So that's that done. Put these all over here. Right, last pack. So we've got the Fiend, Bianca Belair, and John Cena. Before we open that pack though, I just want to show you something. So I opened one pack off camera, and I want to show you who I got. Off camera, I opened a pack, and I managed to pack myself limited edition Bray Wyatt. So we've got the Fiend Bray Wyatt. So we've got one there, and we've got one here. So yeah, we managed to pack him. I wish I caught that on camera, so that would have been a good clip, but yeah, I just decided to open a pack off camera and I managed to get him. So that's a good one. Hopefully we can get one limited edition in this one. That would be really good. Right. Right, so let's turn them around so you can't see them, it's so far high. Right, bam. Is that Randy Orton? Yes, that's Randy Orton when he won the WWE Championship. Sit there again so you can see it. We got Finn Balor Demon. I think we've already got that one again. When he beat, who did he beat there? It doesn't show you because it's got like black dots at the bottom. You might be able to see. Yeah, it's got like black dots at the bottom so you can't see who he actually beat against. Seth Rollins beating John Cena. He beat John Cena there. Zoom. Hey, is that the Royal Rumble winner this year? Edge. Woo! So we've got the second place of Royal Rumble winner. Here. No, not there. Second place Royal Rumble winner. And we've got the winner here. Wait, no! I just thought. He came third. He came second. Randy Orton actually came second. And Edge came first. Because Randy Orton got a knee injury off Edge at the very beginning. And then he just came back. And then RKO'd him. But he still lost. I remember that now. Boom. That's another Edge one. So we've got two Edges off the bat here. Two Edge. Ooh, we've got half of Adam Cole. Another WrestleMania that was the 25th anniversary, as you can see there. The next one, boom. It's up in the other half of Carmella. Well, we're getting on the shiny ones now. Who's that? Is that Kalisto? Not quite sure. I think that's Kalisto. Right, last one. Boom! Oh yes, we got the pack here of him, and then we got him here. We got two. I don't know, like that. There. So we got two of the same. Ooh, right. So yeah, I know it was a quick video because I didn't have a lot of packs. But yeah, I managed to do it. So, we'll see you all next time. Come back for another video. Goodbye. See you later.